last video of the year. Come on. So I have something for you guys that is going to brighten up and bring some color, freshness, and yet some richness to your New Year's Eve table, which is a Brazilian salpicao, which is this creamy salad. It reminds a little bit of a coleslaw, but it's way better because it has many more vegetables and much more deliciousness. Coleslaw, sorry, but it's true. So let me show you how I put it together. So I have here some onions and some celery, to which I'm going to saute a little bit because I want to remove the raw edge from both. A little bit of salt, so they brown better and faster. When it's almost golden brown, you turn off the heat and set aside. Are you hot, puppy? You hot, baby? Oh, it's so hot. Oh my god, mommy. It's so hot. Now to a bowl, we're going to add some shredded green apple. Green apple, trust me, it's gonna taste delicious. Some shredded carrots, some corn, some green peas. It's traditionally made with chicken, but we're going to use hearts of palm, to which we're going to shred with a fork. Or you can also use jackfruit, okay? I mean, you choose. But before you use the jackfruit, I want you to simmer it in plain water for 5-10 minutes to remove that brine taste, if it's canned, of course, obviously. And the same you can do with the hearts of palm. You can simmer it a little bit in plain water, but careful because the hearts of palm, sometimes they're too soft. So if you touch it and if it's too soft, you definitely cannot simmer them first, okay? Because they will kind of melt. The onions and celery that we just sauteed, salt and pepper, some unsweetened vegan cream, some vegan mayo, and we're going to mix to combine. And that's that. Come on. How easy was that? You can play along and add more vegetables if you want. You can add a cabbage, but first you're gonna need to saute the cabbage, okay? You can add anything you like. And on top of it, we're going to add these beautiful, crispy potato sticks. That it complements this dish amazing. I catered for a Christmas party and I brought this. This is a proper, very Brazilian recipe that we make it on Christmas and we make it on New Year's Eve. And this was a Norwegian family, like a large family and friends, and they loved it because it's amazing. They all wanted the recipe. And it was a success, I promise you. It pleases everybody, so make it. This is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed it. I loved making it and sharing. One of my favorite childhood, that's by far one of my favorite, if not my favorite thing to eat on Christmas Eve and on New Year's Eve. And I hope you loved it because it's amazing. And I will see you next time. Don't forget to tag me and have a wonderful year. And don't forget to like this video. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.